Decoding the phrase, white-hot. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into an exciting phrase in the English language, white-hot. Have you ever come across this term and wondered what it means? Well, stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know all about it. When we think of colors, white might not be the first thing that pops up in our minds when we think of heat. So, what does white-hot literally mean? White-hot refers to an object, especially metal, that is so hot it's glowing white. It's a term often used in metallurgy or when discussing objects that can be heated to extremely high temperatures. When metal gets extremely hot, it can start to glow. Before it turns white, it will typically go through a progression of colors. First red, then orange, then yellow, and finally white. The white glow indicates an extremely high temperature. Now that we understand the literal meaning, let's explore its figurative or metaphorical use. In the English language, white-hot is often used to describe something that is intensely passionate or very popular. For example, the new singer's popularity is white-hot right now. The debate became white-hot after both speakers raised their voices. Here, it doesn't mean actual heat. Instead, it signifies intensity, passion, or a peak level of popularity or excitement. Let's see some examples to understand its application better. 1. The blacksmith waited for the iron to become white-hot before shaping it. 2. The author's latest book is white-hot in the market, with copies selling out within days. 3. Their white-hot love story became the talk of the town. From these examples, we can see that white-hot can be used both literally, as in the first sentence, and figuratively, as in the latter two. And there we have it. The phrase, white-hot, can be about temperature, but it can also be about intense emotions, popularity, or passion. English is filled with such vibrant phrases that paint vivid pictures with just a few words. We hope this video has shed some light, no pun intended, on the phrase, white-hot. Happy learning, and keep exploring the beauty of the English language.